Yeah, pretty much you go on auctions, you want to look like a normal buyer on eBay. Go and buy, auction on some 99-cent cheap items. If you win them, just take take whatever you get.
Yeah, that's what I do too. Like I made
A buyer's account, and then it's weird. It's like as soon as it's even warmed up, even past a few weeks, it's generally good. But it's just getting it up to that point. And then you would convert. It's like it's weird. It's like something about just yeah, pretty much you go on auctions, you want to look like a normal buyer on eBay. Go and buy, auction on some 99-cent cheap items. If you win them, just take take whatever you get.
yeah, that's what I do too. Like I made a fake profile picture again, but this time it's a man, but it's AI, but it's like notrealpeople.com or something. So it's a really realistic thing. And then I put like a bio in there, and then yeah, I just buy like cheap DVD items. And I also left like feedback, like mixed feedback too. Like I never even got the item, but I left bad feedback on one of them just to act like a real person. I
Wow.
got blocked. But yeah, like I started in March 26th or 25th with this account, and I'm not gonna start to sell stuff in my house until May 20th or May 26th. So like 2 months ish. But yeah, I'm also gonna wait like another couple weeks selling like things in my house just to like, confirm a couple real deliveries, and then I think you shouldn't have any issues after that unless I'm missing something.
No, that's about it. Pretty much you just wait, order a few things, wait till they get delivered. The more time you put in between that, the better. Um, and that's about it. Like I said, there's less risk when creating a eBay buyer account, an Amazon buyer account. It's just, but when you go to sell, that's a completely different thing. They'll ask for ID, they'll ask for all these verifications and stuff, social security, whatever it is. But yeah, you just like I said, it's a lot less risk making a buyer's account, and then it's weird. It's like as soon as it's even warmed up, even past a few weeks, it's generally good. Um, but it's just getting it up to that point. And then you would convert it. It's like it's weird. It's like something about just well, it's like just like if you think about it on Amazon's end, if you were to go on Amazon and start spamming, you found a wallet on the floor, you go and start spamming their server, they're gonna eventually cancel the orders and like somebody stole this person's credit card, and you know what I mean. It's like the same concept for everything. They have internal systems in place that will flag stuff. So if you try and rush the process of warming up the eBay account, instant flag. You know what I mean? You kind of got to go through a little mini checklist of little things to, all right, well, would they trigger this, almost internally in your head, you know?
Abraham, like where are like the remaining like are there any like fuzzy points with the advice? Do you like one more of like a step by step on how to set this up?
No, that makes sense.
Okay, good. And Caleb, you'd recommend like starting just on a phone, you turn on mobile data, start fresh, just as a buyer account, right? Through the app.
Um, yeah, I would do it on the phone because I started that way.
Yeah.
But the next batch of 5 accounts, I'm gonna start warming up. I think I'm gonna start them on the computer to see if there's a big difference there.
With static IP?
Yeah, the first five, or the last six were, I started them on the phone and the tablet. So
Or
that's how I started those. So, but I'll start them on the computer now just to see, meant to see where that goes.
so start on app, add an unlinked virtual card, credit card, buy a few things, space them out, and then you can try to sell a few things that you own, and then you convert to a seller a few weeks down the line.
Right.
Perfect.
Right. And
Yeah.
before, I sell the first item. Well, my number is five. I sell the first 5 items before I turn it into a business account
Yeah.
because I need, my ratio is the five eBay labels being printed through eBay system
Nice.
before I add a business, EIN.
Got you. Awesome. Abraham, does that sort of give you a bit more clarity on kind of where to go?
Wait, so when you do it on your phone, if
Yeah.
you've already had an eBay account there, you can use mobile data and it's like not linked? Or
Well, phone is dynamic, so you get to, if you just if you reset the phone, you should be fine, because all that data will be gone, for you to start a new account.
Yeah, I would reset the phone. Sammy always told me one per phone, but if you reset it usually works fine. Yeah.
well, is it fine to do it on a computer or is that like worse?
Phone is generally better, but Caleb is testing computer. But proven, I would go with phone.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the one we have. I have data on right now, phone or tablet, something that's pretty dynamic, right? Doesn't really stay the same.
Yeah.
Which you don't have the same option with console computers. Everything is the same on a computer.
Awesome.
All right. Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah, I'm definitely gonna try that.
Yeah, dude, I apologize, because the way I made my accounts again like a year ago.